All right, so the learning outcome 5 is basically verifying to see if you got the correct answer by changing your x by a number. It can be any number. Here I'm asking you to use the number 2. Okay, so this is just to verify that you've multiplied and correctly simplified. So that basically that your box answer, which is this is the answer to this. Okay, and I need to check if I did this right. Is this the correct answer? So in order for me to see if it's the correct answer, I'm going to take x and replace it by 2 in my original question, and I'm going to replace x by 2 in my answer and see if they come up to the same number in the end. Okay, so here I'm going to replace every x by 2. So 2 plus 2 and 2 minus 3. Solve my brackets. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 minus 3 is -1. And 4 times -1 is -4. Okay, so that's for my original question. And now I'm going to do the same with my answer. So this is what I would have found had I done the box method. Okay, and I'm going to replace my x's by 2. So 2 squared minus 2 minus 6. So that's 4 minus 2 minus 6, and that also gives me -4. So -4, -4, they match. I am happy. That means I did the box method correctly. Same thing here. Okay, so I have my answer, my original question, and I'm going to plug x for 2. So 2 minus 1, 3 times 2 minus 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. Here I don't have the answer. I need to find it first. So I'm going to do the box. X minus 1, 3x minus 5. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times -1 is -3x. X times -5 is -5x, and -5 times -1 is +5. So if I put it together, that gives me 3x squared minus 8x plus 5. Okay, so that's the answer that I think I have right. Okay, and in order to see if I did actually do it correctly, I'm going to replace x by the same number I replaced it in my original question. Okay, so 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 5. I just replaced my x by 2 everywhere. So here, if you follow the BEDMAS rules, BEDMAS tells me that I need to do my exponents before I do anything else. So here I need to do 2 squared to give me 4. And 8 times 2 is 16. 3 times 4 is then 12. Minus 16 plus 5. This is -4 plus 5, and that gives me a 1. This is a 1 I got in the end, and I got a 1 here. They match. That means I did my box correctly. So that means this is the right answer. So you do the verification when you want to check to see if you solved the box correctly. Okay, and that is learning outcome 5 for verifying our box method.